स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः. Once again I welcome all the 6th class students to Sanskrit class. Today we are going to discuss about the exercises of the first lesson. We have learnt first lesson akarantah pullingah. Akarantah which ends with a, it is called akarantah pullinga. It has got three vachanas: ekavachanam, dvivachanam, bahuvachanam. Like this we are going to discuss the exercises of the first lesson. We have learnt that ekavachane balaha patati, balau patatah, balaha patanti, gajah chalati, gajau chalatah, gajaha chalanti, vruddhah hasati, vruddhau hasatah, vruddhah hasanti. Like this we have learnt. Today we are going to learn this exercises in the today's lesson. The first exercise, the main benefit of studying Sanskrit is that we will get very good exercise for our tongue. That means it's a very good healing. That means we will get the good pronunciation. That's why we have the exercise उच्चारणं कुरुता. स्पष्ट उच्चारणं सिद्ध्यति संस्कृत अध्ययनेन. By studying Sanskrit you will get the very good vibrations in your mouth, mind. Understood? It is a very good to pronounce the things. Now many people find it very difficult to pronounce the words. So in the coming days when you pronounce the things you can remember the words very well. So it's a very good exercise to do the uccharanam. Uccharanam kuruta. So I will say once and repeat again. When I say once, please listen. Next time, because you are attending online, so imagine the teacher is telling second time, it is for the sake of students. Along with the teacher you can pronounce second time. Chhatraha, chhatraha, gajaha, gajaha, ghataha, ghataha, शिक्षकः, शिक्षकः, मकरः, मकरः, दीपकः, दीपकः, मयूरः, मयूरः, बिडालः, बिडालः, अश्वः, अश्वः, शुकः, शुकः, मूषकः, मूषकः, चन्द्रः, चन्द्रः, बालकः, बालकः, चालकः, चालकः, गायकः, गायकः. So today we have learnt how to pronounce these words. Now I will tell you what is the meaning of these words. Chhatraha means student. Gajaha means elephant. Ghataha means pot. Shikshakaha teacher. Makaraha crocodile. Deepakaha lamp. Mayuraha peacock. Bidalaha cat. Ashwaha horse. Shukaha parrot. Mushakaha, Mushakaha means rat. Chandraha moon. Balakaha boy. चालकः ड्रैवर, गायकः singer. Like this we have learnt today 15 words, learning these 15 words. So now you can see the picture and understand its meaning. It's a word in the Sanskrit. See the picture and understand how it is pronounced in Sanskrit in the next slide. चित्राणि दृष्ट्वा पदानि उच्चारयताम्. One by one. कृषकः, कृषकः. वृषभः, वृषभः. भल्लूकः, भल्लूकः. मण्डूकः, मण्डूकः. कपोतः, कपोतः. पर्यङ्कः, पर्यङ्कः. दूरभाषः, दूरभाषः. काकः, काकः. सौचिकः, सौचिकः. See, now first picture is Krushakaha. Krushakaha means farmer, that is the farmer. Vrishabhaha means bull. Ballukaha, bhalu, bear. Mandukaha, frog, mendak. Kapotaha, kabutar, pigeon or dove. Paryankaha, paryankaha nama manchaha, cot. Durabhashaha, telephone. Kakaha, kawa, crow. Sauchikaha, sauchikaha means tailor, darji. Once again, Krushakaha, Vrishabhaha, Bhallukaha, Mandukaha, Kapotaha, Paryankaha, Durabhashaha, Kakaha, Sauchikaha. Now, again, we are learning Akaranta Pullinga. We have learnt how to make the Varna Vibhajanam. Varna Vibhajanam, Varna Samyojanam. We have learnt in the previous class. Just like Varna Samyojanena Padam Likhata. Please make the word by joining them. First one is given in the textbook. Later, next ones I have done it for your help. Just like observe and write neatly. So how to write these pictures? You can write in the English and later you can write what is the word used in Sanskrit too. If you want, once again I will show you the previous slide. Please note down. You can write farmer. You cannot draw the picture like this, no? You can write farmer Kushakaha, bull Vrishabhaha, bear Bhallukaha, frog Mandukaha, dove Kapotaha, cot Paryankaha, Durabhash, telephone Durabhashaha, crow Kakaha, tailor Sauchikaha. Like this you can write. Now we will write Varna Vibhajanena Varna Sampadanam. See, first of all, Cha plus A, Cha. Sha plus A, Sha. Ka plus Aha, Kaha. Cha, Sha, Kaha. Like this you can get the word Chashakaha. Sa plus Au, Sau. Cha plus E, Chi. Ka plus Aha, Kaha. Sau, Chi, Kaha. Sauchikaha. Sauchikaha means tailor. Sha plus U, Shu. Na plus A, Na. Ka plus au, cow. Shunakau. Sorry, here it has come Shunakaha. You have to write Shunakau. Understood? Shunakau. Please write Shunakau. Dha plus a, dha. Va plus a, va. Ta plus aha, taha. Dhavataha, dhavataha. You have to write. Next. Va plus ru, vru. Dha plus dha plus aha, vruddhaha. Kim bhavati? Vruddhaha iti bhavati. Ga plus a, ga. Ya plus a, ya. N plus ta plus ti, nti, nti. Gayanti, gayanti. Once again. Cha plus a plus cha plus a plus ka plus aha, chashakaha. Sa plus au plus cha plus I plus ka plus aha, sauchikaha. Sha plus u plus na plus a plus ka plus au, shunakau. Dha plus a plus va plus a plus ta plus aha, dhavataha. Va plus r plus da plus dha plus aha, vruddhaha. Ga plus a plus ya plus a plus na plus ta plus I, gayanti, gayanti iti bahuvachanam. Bhavantah jananti. Chashakaha means tumbler. Sauchikaha, tailor. Shunakau, 2 dogs. Dhavataha, running. Vruddhaha, elderly person, old man. Gayanti, they are singing. Like this. Today we have learnt Uchcharanam Kuruta. What we have learnt is Uchcharanam Kuruta. We have learnt how to pronounce these 15 words. At the same time, we have learnt what is the meaning of these 15 words. Then again we have learnt 9 words. Looking at the picture, we have learnt the words for them. So I hope you are very sure that 9 words and their pronunciation in the Sanskrit we have learned. Then with the help of alphabets, now we are making the words. Is it? With the help of alphabet, by joining the consonants and vowels. Today we have learned to make the words. In the tomorrow's lesson, we will learn how to split the words. So we will get the words. It is just like ulta. So we will get the words and we will learn how to split them. Bhavati Shubhadinam, Bhavato Anudinam, Sukhena Jivantu, Anandena Patantu. Dhanyavadaha.